When a powerful smartphone like your iPhone 11 Pro Max has a slow internet connection, the problem can only be with your network device if it's getting connection from a Wi-Fi network. If it's connected to the internet via cellular data, then it's possible that your service provider is having some network issues as well. For you to be able to determine the reason why your device has a slow internet connection, you have to troubleshoot your device. In this video, I will be showing you what to do if your iPhone started to have slow connection after a firmware update. First solution: force restart your iPhone. Network issues that occur after an update are often due to system glitches. The most logical thing that you have to do at this point is the forced restart. It's a simulated battery removal that refreshes your iPhone's memory and reload all its applications and services. Quickly press and release the volume up button, and then the volume down button. The moment you release the volume down button, press and hold the side or power key for 15 seconds or until the Apple logo shows on the screen. Your iPhone will continue the usual boot process. When the reboot is complete, try to see if the internet connection has improved. Second solution: reconnect to the network. Another possible method to fix slow browsing issues from an iOS update is to restart or refresh your iPhone's wireless internet functions. Basically, what you have to do is to toggle the Wi-Fi switch off, and then enable it back. It's one of the most effective ways to fix this problem, and here's how it's done. Launch Settings. Tap Wi-Fi. If it's disabled, try enabling it so you can connect to the internet through the service. If it's already enabled, disable it and then after a few seconds, enable it back. After this, try to see if your connection has improved. Third solution: reset all network settings on your iPhone. After making sure that the problem isn't with your network device, the next thing you have to do is refresh all network or wireless services on your iPhone. You can do so by resetting all network settings. Don't worry, none of your files will be deleted. Here's how it's done. From the home screen, tap Settings. Tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Touch Reset Network Settings. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Reset Network Settings at the bottom of the screen. Your iPhone will reboot after this. Once it has finished rebooting, try to see if the problem is fixed. Fourth solution: factory reset your iPhone. A reset will be able to fix network issues including this problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files and data because they will be deleted and you may not be able to retrieve them. When ready, follow these steps. From the home screen, tap Settings. Find and tap General. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and then touch Reset. Tap Erase all contents and settings. Tap Erase now. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Erase iPhone at the bottom of the screen. Tap Erase iPhone again to proceed. Now enter your Apple ID password, and then tap Erase to proceed with the reset. Wait until your iPhone has finished the reset, and then set it up as a new device. I hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.